Chikin Automation Equipment Co. Limited, is a scientific research, production, sales equipment based on the integration of industry and trade high-tech enterprises. Chikin Company have more than 20 years of experience in this field and more than 9 years of foreign trade export experience. We specialize in PCB automatic routing machine, PCB high-speed drilling machine, target drilling machine, PCB laser cutting machine, V-cut machine and peripheral products. We have passed SGS field certification, and have achieved many CHE certificates and more than 30 patents. Our products can be used in PCB, S&T, 3C, and new energy industry, and serve more than 50 countries and regions around the world. We are member of the IPCA, CPCA and HEPCA, providing customers with drilling process solutions, deep cut and groove plate solutions, one-stop automation equipment solution.